Hey. Quick live. I gotta go get a haircut. Just watched Marty's live, Red did a live this morning. Excellent job, guys. Appreciate you. I'm gonna do a quick live because Marty had some technical difficulties and it goofed me up a little bit, but that's okay. I gotta be at my haircut appointment in less than a half hour here and then back to the 2 o'clock. All right, guys. Let me tell you why I'm so excited this week. 4 things I'm excited about this week. Number 1, I'm a proud founder of Onpassive. Number 2, starting tomorrow at 9 o'clock, not 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock, I will be filling in for Admire while she's gone for a few weeks, and we'll be talking about Oh Bless. What are we going to talk about? We want to talk about solutions. And I'll break that down tomorrow, the guidelines for it. I hope all my angels out there get this message because I would love to see you all at 9 o'clock. It's going to be 1 hour long. It could go a little longer if it gets really good, but I'm going to try to keep it to 1 hour. Tuesday night, 9 o'clock. I'll have the link in the back office. I'll have it on my Facebook, and we'll post it out everywhere. The second thing I'm excited. First one was I'm an Onpassive founder. Yeah, we know that one. Number 2, Oh Bless tomorrow, 9 o'clock. Number 3, Onpassive 360, Wednesday, 12 o'clock. Always excited about that. And then Friday, Ash is going to have another event in Dubai. We'll wait and see. We're still waiting for the information on that and links, but just stay tuned. Be patient. It's coming. We don't really have any updates from what's happened in the last couple weeks. I know that we are talking about Dubai, Burj Khalifa. All right, the highest office in the world, folks. It doesn't get any better than that. A lot of people are saying big deal, Chris. It is a big deal, folks. It's a big deal if you're a founder. Maybe if you're not a founder, you don't think it's a big deal. All right, we are in the tallest building in the world. Mr. Muhammad has been doing lives every single day, loving it. Walking around the ground, showing the building, and people are saying, why isn't he going in the building? Because the floors have not been started yet as far as putting the carpet, the furniture, and all that stuff in. But don't you worry. Oh, Mr. Muhammad, he'll take care of us there. I promise you that. But today, 2 o'clock, another thing we can say I'm excited about. Bill Musk says I'm not funny anymore, so I gotta liven it up a little bit here. I'll do this. Hey, Bill, how's that? 2 o'clock today is the Private Founders Roundtable. And Marty was just doing his live, and Ash texted him and said he might be on there. So I'm going to stick with my guns, what I say every Monday. You never know. You just never know when Ash Mafara shows up. He's been very consistent about every Monday getting on there. I'd say he usually comes on around 3:30, 4 o'clock. He lets people get there, but you never know. He can come on earlier. But the only way to find out is to get on there at 2 o'clock. All right? For sure. Muhammad Kamal, I want to do a huge shout out for you. I'm loving those videos. Absolutely beautiful. Hopefully someday I can visit Dubai because I would love to go there. Not crazy about the heat, but I would love to go there. Let me say some highs real quick because I really got to get going here. Okay, Rupa Paul, there's my beautiful sister. Rupa, you've been putting out some great YouTubes. I know you did one in Hindi today. Way to go. Keep it going. Lister T, another live monster has begun. Lister T put a phenomenal live out, and I mean phenomenal. It was amazing, and I mean that, Lister. I loved it. Peter Shore, what's happening, Pete? Annette Curry, Pete, I'm going to call you later, probably after the meeting. Hold on, it's jumping on me. Let me go to the top. Mahfouz is in the house. Bangladesh leader. Mahfouz, you're doing a great job. Keep doing what you're doing. Love the pictures of your kids. You know I love that. Haven't heard of voices for a while. Haven't heard those kids talking to me. I love to hear it. Anita George, how you doing? Yeah. There's a name that's calling me Captain, and I don't, it's in a different language. I apologize. I think it's from Bangladesh, another Bangladeshi. Karen Wildman, how you doing? Patty McGuigan, there's another. Listen, You know, I have my live. I'm waiting for Patty to do a live. Patty, I'm challenging you. But Patty puts out. See, he's my live post monster. He's been putting out some phenomenal posts, man. Keep it up, Patty. Who else is on here? Nashanian Pascal. Can't wait to be on Wednesday and Friday. See you at 2 p.m. Woo! I'll see you there. Bill Musk. I know you're in here. Hey, Diane. Hey, Diane, can you hear me? You had everyone messed up today on Red's Live. Funny stuff, though. Humanian Kabar. Robert Tantulu, New Jersey's in the house. Moses. Robert, excellent YouTube's also. I've been trying to share everyone's I get. Keep up the great work, guys. Just keep it up. Marty DeGarmo's in the house. Wow, there's a first. Marty, my big brother. Man job, Jacob, how you doing? Marty says, boom. That was a great live, Marty. Even though it took a while to get it going. You got to tell me what happened there. Harry, how you doing? Harry Agaragamum, if I said that right. Billy Musk, where's John White? I got to fire John White. All right, guys. I got to get going. If I missed you, I'll get you in the comments after my haircut. Definitely be on at 2 o'clock. Marty just did a real good live about choices. Tomorrow, I want to hear your choices, how to fix poverty, okay? I'm not going to lie, I'm nervous about it because I want it to go professional. It's going to be an unusual webinar, guys. It's not going to be like the normal webinars, all right? Everyone's suggestion, solution is going to be accepted. I am going to try to get every hand that's raised. I have a couple special people on there. Excuse me, wow. Too much sand in this weekend. That'll be talking about buildings, all kind of stuff. Each week I'm going to try to do something special and educate us on a lot of things about poverty. I'm also reaching out to everyone out here that's watching this. Hey guys, share this live for this reason. Not only to get people to come into Onpassive and become a founder, but I'm looking for people that want to bring people onto these webinars on the 9 o'clock on Tuesday. I want, if you know social workers, if you know people that are actually working with homelessness, all right, I want to hear their voices. I want them to educate the founders of what we really have to do, and it's going to be huge. Guys, lots of work, I'm not going to lie, but very, very rewarding, all right? I've got a few things that I want to say. In the beginning, I don't want to break it all out today, but I will be talking on it, and I think I'm going to make it fun, guys. I'm going to make fixing poverty fun for us because I know everyone. I know a lot of you help a lot of people, and I love you for that, but I want to hear solutions. If you are one of those people, I was talking to Tina last night. She helps funds many, many things to help homelessness, orphans, many things in many different countries. And I gave her a different way of thinking about it. I want to hear those people that she funds. I want to hear their stories and what they do. So lots to talk about on that show. But like I said, I'm going to try to keep it to an hour, but if it goes a little longer, that's fine. I know it's a later time. I did that because I want the people in the Bahamas have a webinar at 8, and there's some key people on there I want to bring into this. One of them is Daryl Cook, Janet Butler. I want to hear everything they got to say, but I want to hear what everyone has to say. So each week, it'll be different subjects. All right, we're going to be talking about different subjects of poverty, and I'll break it all down tomorrow. I don't want to ruin the surprise, but I would appreciate anyone that is on the Angels list or that wants to help out with a bless for anything. Get on there because we got a lot of work to do. As Ash Mafar said to me to my face, brother, we got a lot of work to do, and he ain't lying, and we do. So let's help Ash Mafar out. Let's get this dream, goal, activity going for Obless. We're going to start it off tomorrow at 9 o'clock, but anyone can talk about Obless, okay? If you're holding the webinar right now, remember I said last week, don't do a webinar just to do a webinar, okay? You want to talk about Obless, I'll love it. If you want to talk about Obless, I'll love it. If you want to talk about Obless, I'll love it. It's great. Let's get the world into this. We really, really want to put this out there. We want to put people's ideas, solutions, and you never know. There's a big goal here, guys, and I'll tell you what it is tomorrow. But I really got to get going. Hey, Julie Wen just popped on there. Who am I missing? I gotta go. I'm gonna be late for my haircut, man. My hair grows fast. If I didn't see you in here, there's Kuyujia. Well, that's a hard one for me to pronounce. Shabub, how you doing? I know you guys are mad at me because I can't pronounce your names. I apologize. All right, I gotta get going, guys. Share this out. 2 o'clock today, Ash. Possibility could show up. You never know, but definitely tomorrow 9 o'clock. This is a platform that I'm making, so Ash has something to come when he wants to talk about how blessed. He could come there. I'm not guaranteeing Ash Mafire will ever be on it, but you never know. But let's make it interesting. It will be recorded, documented, and we'll make sure Ash Mafire, when he gets a chance, gets to see it. All right, if you got a birthday today, happy flipping birthday. Woo! If you're sick, we're praying for you. Still praying for Ukraine and Russia. They end this crazy war. And let's just get out there and do this, guys. I love every one of you. I respect every one of you. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't be afraid to share the greatest thing in the world, which is Onpassive. Man, you guys should be excited right now. You have no idea what's coming. But all I can tell you is it's coming. All right, I gotta go. I'll get you guys. I gotta go get my haircut. I'll get you in the comments after my haircut. And I'll see you too. All right, I'll see y'all later. Ciao.